Hello and welcome back to the official Lone Star Grillz YouTube channel. My name is Mike and today I'll be walking you through a pulled pork recipe that you're sure to love. We'll be using cherry cola as one of our ingredients today to add sweetness, moisture, and incredible flavor. If you're ready for this one, go ahead and smash that like button and let's get started. Our pork shoulder today is weighing in just over 8 pounds. We're going to keep prep very simple today, so just start by making crosshatch sections with a sharp knife across the fat side. This helps in two ways. It'll help flavor to penetrate, and it will also keep this pork shoulder from buckling during the cook as it renders. Use mustard as a binder and season up both sides generously with our LSG Texas Bold Rub. Or you can use your favorite rub for pork. With this pork shoulder all ready to go, it's time to head outside and fire up the pit. Our Lone Star Grillz El Fuego trio is big, bold, and beautiful. Its name stands for triple fire grill because it can cook with wood, charcoal, or pellets. Today we'll be using the pellet function. Turn on the controller and set your temperature to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Once fully preheated, just get your pork on over the pellet side with a probe to monitor temperatures, close the lid, and begin cooking. Be sure to open the exhaust vent on the opposite side of the lid. The first part of this cook is all about building bark and soaking up smoke flavor. Although there's lots of variables to this, it's typical to take about 5 to 8 hours to develop that bark and then move on to the braising stage. And speaking of that, it's time to show you where this cherry cola comes in. In a small pot, combine 1 cup of cherry cola, 1/4 cup apple cider vinegar, 3 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon of barbecue rub. Once again, we'll be using our Texas Bold. Stir it over medium heat for just a couple minutes to combine everything, then set it aside. A few hours have gone by and the bark is set on the outside of our pork shoulder. So let's move on to the braising stage. Simply move the pork into a foil pan, pour in the braising liquid, cover with foil, and get it right back on the smoker. This will take a couple more hours for the pork to reach full tenderness, and that typically happens when it reaches a temperature of about 203 to 206 Fahrenheit. And you can monitor the cook from the app. Once you get close in temperature, be sure to check it with a probe to make sure it's nice and tender. This pork is fully tender and ready to go. And we're going to rest it on our counter for about 60 to 90 minutes. Then the ultimate test is if that shoulder blade pulls out clean, you know you did a good job. Now just shred this pork with your hands, mixing it up in that braising liquid, then you can serve it up any way you like. The added flavor of that cherry cola braising liquid is amazing. We appreciate you watching today's video, and remember that if you've got questions on any of our products at any time, just give us a call or check out our links below.